na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Yatad Express for sending us their merchants product. It's a homegrown Kapampangan business. Atin po ito. It's a local brand na gusto pong magpakilala sa atin. And ang mga pagkain po na nasa harapan natin ngayon are part of their merchants. So before I let you know guys kung paano natin na-order to, let's talk about the food we have on our table. So meron po tayong mga dishes coming from Kuis, fried chicken, and food hubs. Wow! So aside from that, nagpadala rin po si Kuis ng mga burgers and fries. Another merchant na nag-participate po sa vlog na to is si Takoyumi. So if you notice, meron po tayong mga takoyaki balls. These are really hype po ngayon. Sikat na sikat po sila and a lot of us are really enjoying this. Tikman natin. So another merchant na nag-participate po sa atin for this vlog is the Myokja chicken. Grabe, this is mind-blowing. Ang dami po nilang mga variants, fried chicken with different flavors. Ayan, so another merchant na nag-participate po dito sa vlog na to is Baboland. So we would like to thank them for sending us 4 of their best sellers sa mga milk tea. So, then let's try it. At the beginning of this vlog, so this is brought to us by Yatad Express Philippines. They're a new food delivery services dito po sa Pampanga. So this is how we ordered this food. Alright guys, so let me show you kung paano natin na-order yung mga pagkain natin from Yatad Express. So si Yatad Express is actually available sa mga Android and iOS devices. Once you download Yatad Express, click natin yung icon ng Yatad Express and then immediately, you're gonna be greeted with yung mga featured restaurants ng Yatad Express. Additionally, meron tayong see all button dito so that we can, of course, see all the merchants and mga businesses na included dito sa Yatad Express. For an easier search, you can actually filter kung ano yung mga categories ng restaurant ang hinahanap mo. So click lang natin tong filter icons and then mga establishment dito ay lilitaw, like for example, restaurants, fast food, pharmacy, convenience store, groceries, and a lot more. Now for dun sa mga partner restaurants natin na nagpadala, let's search for Takoyumi. So si Takoyumi has 2 branches but yung partner Takoyumi natin is from San Matias, Guagua. Ayan, so from this page, you can actually determine if the restaurant is open or closed dung the time na mag-order ka. And then browsing off the page, you can see yung mga menus na included for our orders and delivery. Alright, so next partner business natin is from Myokja Chicken. So we're gonna search that from the search page, Myokja. Ayan, so again, this is from Guagua, Pampanga. So once again, thank you so much guys for being partner with us. So this is Myokja Chicken. Again, they have fried chicken, wings. They also have side. Ang gandaan dito, makikita nyo kung may mga promo sila na available. Like for this one, it's a buy one take one Korean fried chicken. Okay, so next partner business natin that we're gonna think is Kuis Fried Chicken. So we're gonna search that. Kuis Fried. So si Kuis Fried Chicken is actually a food house. Aside from the chicken that they serve, meron din silang mga frozen menu. So you have tocino, longanisa, ham, and a lot more. And then lastly, we would like to thank Baboland for sending us our milk tea, guys. Milk teas. Okay, so let's search Baboland. Baboland. So this one is actually located sa Maligaya Street, Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito po, you can again view their menu, items that are available for orders and delivery. So once decided kung ano yung pipiliin mo, say for example, this Oreo cream puff. So there are other options that you can add. Say for example, add pearls, add nata de coco, add more cream puff, and add coffee jelly. You can also enter in some special notes. You can decide kung ilang quantity yung orderin mo. Say 1 or 2 or 3. Or you can, decrease it as well. Put it into 1. And then the final thing you can do is add to cart. Okay, so do sa final page natin which is add to cart. You can review your orders. You can still add more quantity, mga ganyan. You can also remove the item by tapping on the X icon para maalis yung item na yon. Good thing about Yatad Express is you can choose kung anong transaction type ang gusto mo. So you can actually pay COD, you can use a debit or credit card, you can pay via GCash. That's it, as simple as that. So yun guys, it's that easy. So if you wanna experience the food ng mga merchants po natin sa Yatad Express, make sure to download their app. Available po yan sa iOS and Android. And enjoy these amazing dishes at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye!